In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Komoot app not working. So if Komoot application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But sometimes the problem might be because of the bugs of the app. In that case, what you have to do is update the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Komoot app. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Komoot, hike, bike and run and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After that, your problem should be solved. Now your application should start working. But if your app still does not work, what you have to do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Komoot and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Komoot. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. Over here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now the cache of this application should be cleared. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your application will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is simply restart your device. Long press on the power button, or you can also scroll down from the top of your screen. Now tap on the power icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem will be solved. So these are basically the ways to solve your problem. So that is how you fix Komoot app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.